Hi Mbali. My hair is a mess. Hi Mpumelelo, hi Nkgetheng. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been a while. When did I go live? Lama fellow. I don't remember. I literally don't remember. 5 new messages. Hi Rakhudile. Nyaphila unjani Nhlakanipho. Hi Jimpor. It's been a while, guys. Sorry. Hi Temusho. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. And we missed you guys. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Yeah, Emine, ke bone message ya gago go sa sa ke ya sekolong. Ke re ke bone. Oh. Ish. Hi Oluhle. Hi, the picture behind you looks beautiful. Thank you, Buki. Bambino o vaile na ke gone lo mo kry-a ko founung because phone ya gago ke mo WhatsApp e rile 1 TB na ke gone a ke na data, a ke na airtime. I don't have airtime. How can I naga ya ho cheka cheka? Yeah, mo founela tju mo ke o rapela ke o khopela song leave. Mo founela mo tse rotlela kae because a ke gone mo kry-a phone. Chomi o na le frontal tse kae gane? Tse 2. Oh, 3, 4. I have this one. I have the red one. I have the curly one. Then I have a black bob. That's all I have. I have 4. Please join me. Join you where? Like, what do you mean, Oluche? Guys, I wanna play music so bad, but I don't know where my speaker is. I literally don't know what's in speaker. Oh, I'm not gonna accept the request. Give my request link. I can check. Guys, I can accept the request. Because hi Big G, can you play that guessing game? Okay, yeah, we're gonna play it. Voicemail. Phone ya maybe itimile actually. Phone ya itimile because ke nana e low. O tlile mo ha e charge. Mara ke nana I charge enough. So ke nana phone ya itimile. Yeah, o tla re swara ga fihla. Mara ish, ke tlo nna ntse ke check. Ka time ka nako ngwanaka ayeyo. Join me, I'm leaving. What do you mean? Hi, Real Majusto. How's your day? My day was okay, but I'm so tired, guys. I had a gig yesterday in Joburg. So I literally just came back home around 12 today. 12. Then I went to town. Hi, Mulewuheng. How are you, my babe? Din time fella mini shetra. Ke sharp, wena. Yeah, but now we're fair, but sorry. Hi, Zolden. I didn't take okay. I take okay. Keshabu, my baby, Badung, Mulewuheng. How are you doing? I'm okay. How are you, Zaldin? Honey, on Teleganako. That time I choose. Bara, ke kirile kai. Mujisto. What did I say, my chomi? Guys, if I show you yesterday's outfits, you're gonna be disappointed, Shem. If I show you yesterday's outfits, I'm looking at the truth. Oh, let me reply my boss, guys. Guys, can I know to know? ke ne boyfriend. Ke ne boyfriend ntshwa new from the box, new from lepokisi. Moleboheng. O isa kae motho? Ke mo isa ko hae ba a lo kopana le batswadi ba ka. Ba bontsha outfit e. Guys, let me go screenshot the fits and then ke tlo bua ke le botsa. Let me pause the live because hang ka tswa ke sa pause it will end. So don't go, guys. I want to show you yesterday's outfit, guys. Like no ka re bad B. No ka re bad B. Let me show you. Let me go screenshot. Gabo. Let me quickly pause. Yeah, I'm back, guys. Yo, guys, the outfit that I was wearing yesterday, like I didn't even feel comfortable. But those were the outfits that never it's on. Let me show you guys. Let me try and green screen or go. Oh yeah, let me show you. Shabang, I was wearing like this, guys. Ah, oh my gosh. Vecchia persona. I was wearing like this, guys. Ungarge bottle girl. Then I had a coat on top. That outfit was fire, guys. It was fire, but it was so cold. But I had a coat on top. Like Gigi enerile ko yona mobane ne. No tletse maZulu, guys. Nearly maZulu fell, like only Zulus. But it's a maskandi. It was only maskandi, guys. And wa ba itse banna ba maZulu he ba tsamaya ba khoname. Like ba tsamaya ba khoname literally. We ke ya go morao live. Wait, chomi, it was in Joburg. Nkare club ya teng ke Deluxe what kids. Bengixoke kanje, imagine. Chomi, o reka kae di-frontal tsa hao online, chomi. Wa itse Hippo Glam. Ntle le e nngwe e one so ya o cheaper. Ba khoname ba isa marao ko morao ba jimane ba maZulu shem. Let's hope no appreciation title. I was wearing like this. No gotta get hoe, lazy hoe. Ho, guys, I was wearing like this. I had a coat on top. Gigi Obi naturally. Gigi, I'm a dancer, chum. I'm a dancer. o rata di-frontal akere chomi ga o ne re nka se di rate nna entle ka ke di rate ke no proof a point because a o se o mongwe so se la re nna ke mo kgopela tsona nagana nka o kgopela frontal ke a di afforda nneta ke di rate. It's not mine Mpumelelo, actually this is my friend's truth. Nice black label work, thank you my babe. So no jivela Maskandi. No, I was not jiving to Maskandi. I said the club were full of Zulu people and they were playing Maskandi music until it was our time to perform. But botlele ya black ase yaka guys. Botlele ela ya black ke ya boss yaka. So you need to relax. I don't drink alcohol. You ate and left no crumbs. Thank you my baby. You're no chaser. Thank you my babes. Ifedile nto ing ifedile. Se le bara ke a fote frontal ke reka frontal no ko bontse re ke metsi ya mannyane chuf e fedile kae. Are we still gonna play that game? Yes, we're gonna play it now. Chomi o ka se re chomi ba ka se ra ke kgone reka frontal ena ke kgone tsena ko next door ke spoil like next door ke dilo tse nyane le ka tsego ke fitile ko teng la bo le ka tsego ke fitile ko teng shnete this paper bag is so messed up ke fitile ko teng ka topa ke dilo tse nyane tseo small waters nete like I get at the fashion wabo. I'm a very simple girl, a very natural girl. So if I wanna do something just to prove a point, I'm gonna do it to show you Gucci it's nothing. Chimangere rena we believe you still skawa. Guys, I have braids inside. So I wanna remove this thing, go do my hair, maybe do controls. And also guys, I'm going to cut my hair. Letwadi guys, go kera letwadi. Go kera letwadi. We now need makeup. Jomi. Akutlo, gotsi. Godly pudding. Ko rata byang wena. Bolela di nnete. Ke rala ke krile motho mo mpya guys. Ke krile juba. Ne ke le ko video call on. Ke bolela thata guys yo. Awa zedi ke awa ya eng chomi yaka. Ke re khatha letwadi ko lekera chomi yaka ke awa ya eng chomi ya re ke sa kera letwadi ko lekera guys. I'm going to cut my hair short because my hairline is gone. Kwa love guys, kwa love lady. Let me check something first. Waya le kompo balcony mix hey ke ya ko tlebe ke mechitse le mothwaka my di Nike tlebe ke mechitse le ena rape re matching outfits ile tlamene ke motsiro ra para di color tse bjang wait ntse voice note it's nna le mothwaka re bolela ka di voice note fela like nna le mothwaka no re bolela ka di voice note fela like di chat di a re tena guys. The relationship ya teng aina ka 24 hours guys. Le sa nsenyetsang ke le rapela ne o le sa mo tseyang ka le khopela ene le ka se mmone ke nteng kana le ka se mo itse nka se mo invite le go di live in tsak la phaphalina ke o tshepa wa ntsiba nka se mo post chomi relationship ya o poster ile ke latlhile ka ola ke le gongele ang gonolla mos arki teme I love me the Gonzedi girl. Guys, na ke le gone ke like ke le gone ne like ya papa. Ke le gone ya papa. Smola one day wa papa wena phele ke tlo mure. Ne the gone me. the gone me ne ali mwitsi motho ka wa no guys ene le ka se mwitsi maidi Nike guys in love yes guys ngikhuseng because ayina le 24 hours ayina le 24 hours ke mo lebeletse fela mo feng beke tla ba re wa mo seleng ay o aka seng slick o calm like o happy o ha itshane le ba bang yo guys motho ka no ke to montsha diaparo fela made in Nike yo guys khopela lo botsang ne o lapisa tlhogo guys ka nnete no di-picture la tshwanetse ke tlose ka dlalang ka se tlose ke pictures menatse ngitshinyane tšela nnithi mina after 1 week di-outfit jale di dira jwang rometšha ka lekompa balcony mix na le motho ka nno ngazinga yeah e re ke check something ke a bua let me pause ke a bua de he bana gane boza yana boza ke ma who's boza okotsi tomorrow it's school for who chomi okotsi a ke kotsi chomi like ke boetse go gone getting back like I can't remain single forever no we have to move yena ebile a zanka nkemela gore a zanka a nkemela gore ke hile o jotse e day ebile a jola ke tswile a jola ana le motho ana le batho e seng motho you done with school I'm done with high school ke feditse matric 2 years ago you done yeah ka itsipa chomi nga itsipa ke bona go fofa dimpama le di-face fela December tse guys ba ka se bete motho wa ka ke re ene o tswile go nna ene o tswile ke sentsene ke morata I'll choose ya wa e sharp wena event le wena o mmuru wa ngwana shem bile ke a ke sa le chomi ya wena event ka bua ne guys ko nyaka something ke a bua yeah ke buile nna mama mang phone ke go 9% like bjang phone ya e rata o tlala ka neng hira lang ka yona guys motho ka no ya morata sha I was waiting for you to be live because I was missing your beauty face. Thank you so much, Njabulo. I'm here. Mara ke fihlile no bjana will take her to mainland just to apologize. Chomi khopelo o mo founele because nka re phone ya hae of 100 reply ko WhatsApp and se lampo tsore o emetse di-taxi and it's so late. So I'm worried about her. Good night, Mokgotsi. Night events. Game. Yeah, nketheng. Please call her now, event. You're such a clever girl, Shemar. Kannete. Chomi get yo, guys. Nna ke lava girl pov. Ke mango. Ke bone fake account e sa sanka ka mo re ke block fast week na hare. It's really. O lebeletse ka di back door ntsha. Ashion. Oh, as a fake account, you know ba ile re ke di user. Bambi ganeng ke engwe lebeletse mato sa comment. Ya bana o ba fe batswadi. o le tlo mmona ka lenyalo ha se motho fela o nka le bontshang okay ya ke gane ke motho fela mara se motho fela nna ile ke tlaetse ha lla ke lla le yena yo o itse ke lucky a ise ke mo follow ko TikTok yena o ne o fodi on stock wa opela mara ka opelang fodi on stock ha fela ha follow and o shapa sa mfollow because I can follow le to jumpa man ish le papa ga mpila ntse ba motho a ka no thoma tsena ka live nya ka ke thoma ka smile tla ke ra ke ish guys I wanna end the live damn be wa no wa opela ba opela ka sa banyaka ba ba heta ba rona re tla o support amma ish guys after 1 week le checking ne hore ke sa phela na ke ditame le dithebe fela ka wena wa nyela wena phela ke le wa nyaka o breka ka motho but ke social butterfly ish re to somara re ke ditima ish re to hwa ka nnete shem guys motare ke tla ke bolelena ka video call tla ke le bontsheng I hope ke thibile swatlho sa mola wena no ka se smile o le one two yo I hope face I bona le face ya ebo my deny ke batho yo re ke tlose before stock how room and so like ya mai but ola le ka se mo create famous TikTok one thing about Zed is Spirit ya mo email yo wena Spirit sa ncholosha chomi yo ke a mo tseba o tseba ma chomi si amazi ni yazi bani animazi lo animazi guys hi shay how are you my chomies guys lesang stoka yo damn it nkhosa sana ya kweneng akas hi Sabrina my babe hi Ofensi and re nka se le bontshe after 2 minutes on the screenshot yo phela wa ntseba phele se se background ye wera itse le tsebela kae a o tsebe selo wena a o tsebe selo guys ke a le rapela relationship ya ka ina 24 hours ne relationship ya ka ina 24 hours and already ke happy nahana ka beke tle bang ke rape tle be ke goile tle be ke le so like ka 1 week fela tle be like yo I'm sure tle be ke hafa guys makompo wa rata ne wena wa rata chu guys ke jotse le kompo le le one le sa irang ka re ke jotse le makompo a mantši le sa irang bjao ka gore ke jotse le kompo le le one fela ko bophelong baka ne a re news cafe nna ka o sane ka sekolong le nna ke ara exact jomi ish mara le rateng ba right le rateng ba o tshwana le wa ka wa nnone e seng ka o sane neng your happiness is bona Jomi freitagwa if I don't have a gig we'll go a o nyakile lengwe ha ke nyakile lengwe Jomi ke mang wa no anonymous setse o jola a ke re lola wa jola nna ke nye yo nthibelang gore ke jona at least nna ke eme 3 weeks gore ke sa jola yena ke tswile ko ena le ka mara di relationship so le sang sola don't solve me le ba ratang ba re rang tšhomo re tlo tseba tlo no tseba ka re phela re le mo ene tse di rata green screen a kudu wa no le ka se mo itse a bit le ka se mo itse ebile sa tetla a ke tetla lotse jo ebile nka tetla lotse yo teme is it this nice uspana limpopo nune a ke spane limpopo we oh kana le ring guys baya hetana kudu chomi baya hetana labantu mara wa no guys zedi wa iteba lontsha leina mo matsatsing bile le leina la ya ke le itse guys hey guys kopelo enda live ke yete ke smile ke le one moki cause lena la mpa ke tla man ish ke text ya moshimana ke re kwa se smile motho a sendetse voice note ene meanong nka se kgone utlela because ke na le dinamo e no tlo re baby go reply like after mara o na di tshone tsa eno so re ke mo fe nako shibotseng ke motso ra hae wa tonya plus okay le nna wa nkgatlha le wena phelo ka se tsebe lebitso la hae a ke re la mmona today wa tsheha ka o sa no tlo boyana le dimu ya wa ntseba wena ka boshu kwa tla mo ke tlhele ke smile wa e bjalo eng chomi ya ka nkgetheng he mo leboheng le wena mo leboheng ka se botse leina la nka se le botse yena guys le tlo no bona fela at least as kathi ya so ke henge kathi you wanna know heavy yo guys like la pile le mo honeng ke smile like ke blush today like honeng ke blush today check o tlo no tsena mo mablush a ka stsene a ka seke ha mfollow ko TikTok o stalker fela Santiago since le bonana neng Santiago ke mang bjano a o tshwara shapo tlo ntshwara shapo la ke a itse happy jang Carlos Maida yo chovye you don't listen small wena o tlo nyala phele la o mo feng bjano ke re a ka stene motho wa no guys o tlo itse ke badimo lena le ka se moitse o itse ke badimo guys le ditšhomi tsa ka a ba moitse o itse ke nna le bambino fela le na le motsebe bjale o twela lekompo la eng pianong ga ona lekompo le ke le tlwela lekompo gale ke le utlwela before ke jola le makompo so like Lantlaloang, my sibling Musa is saying hi. Tell Musa I said hi. But oh head. Okay, true. Okay, we're a content that a relationship ya ka se content guys. Look like a relationship ya ka ina 24 hours so nto e borang gore a ke mo itse ene ho mo guess a nka stile ke ya o wa no nkatlhelo re le ka re la guess guys wa no nkatlela gore le ka re la guessa ne le ka lo guessa wrong ish ke rapela gore next week ke sa ba single guys la bona wa no muhle mama Singabonga maybe if ba o heta sizokuthulisa njani if we don't know the name angeke nginitshele igama lakhe hangeke muhle mama Singabonga umunhle mama thank you Karabo mara congratulations as long as you happy okay nketheng go fa 3 days la ke mo itse sharp o ka se le nna ke na di picture tsa hae and nka se le tsendele guys How is he treating you? I don't know, Chum. We only have 24 hours. Crap, our next thing is about. Can't need the one the way she man in the bed, bitch. Cutting Chumyak. And don't tell them, Tlaba Hobus. Ish, Bamputisaka and a hanchin to tonally all. Yo, guys. Shebi live ya gago ke le mo metsing ka hlapa chomi lebella fela wena ene bile he metsi wa ka tonya o tshela mang ao fisa he fetsa wa mo wa phone wa re hlalosetsa re o tlo chomi chomi o ka se mo itse ka ra nka se le botse yena it's like ke anonymous you want to ginidla yena o wrong sham la mo wrong guys why aren't you gonna so usually nah tlunyana ke re bona slahla matente sela ke sa boss yaka wrong is show me yo guys kana lebitso la hela mo TikTok ke ma ha tsena ke no gomola lebitso la mang nte tsela e fila le ka se tlhalohanye yo guys ish bile le rama la ka la tlhotlhonyo ho neng le blusha ka tsena setse le nna le tseba le bota le to mpakela here ke dire gannyane uzolala mara ngizolala kusasanye. You was with him today? No, and I was literally like a few minutes away from him. But I was not with him, he was sleeping. My phone begang I bambi phone, so I just left. Then ang phone ilona ke fitla mo ke nnang are he literally just woke up now. And I'm like, okay, baby. Lina, Bolina, yeah. Ya. Sangka ka bisa ke mo jimana eso. Tiada nada feda sari. Ya. Aksana Lina ko yo lo ke la bendi. Ke a bofa. Ngarutsubile. Akutsubile traka. Utastause, Jumi, stause Pinense. When hello, who's this? Palisa, don't laugh, my love. You don't laugh. Yeah, guys. Okay. When me to give reply, guys, you guys are teasing me. Yo, bona go kule byang ke mang o ke nyake. Invite him, invite who? Le tlo mo itseng ka mo invite a nna ke mo nyake di live tsa le tlo eta le mo fasa le lo ras type ya lena mara le tlo eta le mo fasa le dira ka mkhoba ntirileng ka ola green screen ala mafello ke go bontsha talent ya ka re ke fetsa para tuku ke ba re tsuku ye a ke green screen se tsa bolela ka le tlo bakela ngwana mong lena le tlo bakela ngwana mong lena ish le tlo bakela ngwana o mongwe. Let's see those pictures at the back. Ish. Ke itse tšhomo. Adiwa. O mpotse o feditse di bona ke tlose. Ere ke tlo hele mara wena wa ne ke ka se fele o sa re fa hinti le tlo bona lena le tlo bona ka se le fesele ha ba o tshepe batho ba tlo bona are ha ba tshepe batho ba tlo mo ha ba tshepe batho ba tlo mo kreya ka 2 minutes ke botse re spirit ka mo pelong spirit sa ntšhelosha yo spirit Spare omo mpya. You from the box. Our cap guys picture la no ring guy closer because ki picture yaka. Like this is literally my picture, guys. This is literally my picture. So as picture ya high, nobody lo report it ko morao. So it's my picture, guys. It's not his pictures. Landlalwanya. It's if landlalwanya na. Kijima jeu. Tu shato ari. Ke krile motho guys. Ke krile motho. So le sa mpotsa ka di past tense. He banna costa king. King costa Stefe chuf Stefe. Hindi nka se le one no nka se le botse yena guys one no. O tseba ke nna le bambino fela. O tseba ke nna le bambino fela ene wena phele nka se botse yena. Le lena ka mo ba 59. Taba ye sa le onogane taba ye feng costa. Ye feng. Ifura ya mo lebotong a we fedile gale eo. Go botsa ka re one no a re na le 24 hours mara o ntsetsa nshapa dindong costa go bontsha yena mpotse if re go o funya ka go bontsha yena e re commenta ka yes ke go bontshe re tsene we are within bona Jomi yes okay re go bontshe ke dire green screen ya letsogo ene ke ntsha gannyane a lena 24 hours a rena 24 hours yo wento e phapaso nya go eta di a dikosha motho wa gona motho ka di dikosha who's bambino is my friend motho wa gona ish nete ke screenshot la re bela ka video call see hey le bota leki hey le to le bona ka pele motho ish mara stop ka di costa na ya go bona ye wena dire be go la ke nyaki we can see jo le shapo le so wena o tla bona talent ya gona re le buile ha isi so mdala highway nyamfanisa ufanisa bani gare la teng bambino a re botse gore ke ma a ka se le botse nna I love this girl who can choose herself. You deserve this. You show me I'm a girl I know my worth. Aksa bua selo ke bone gala la wena wa papa wena a le motsebi a le motsebi guys nromele app costa wa motsebo wena wa sephathe bile o ka ro phela le yena guys ne le sa dira mbya re le ntse pia ka ina a ina 24 hours ke le rapela please ombora se dia megela I know my worth ke tlo go buela ka screenshot le nala la bona ka mkhomishimano mishimano wa nkitaza guys Tiki man when Tiki man. He's my brother. Who's your brother? Hey Zaza, who's your brother? Mini zedingi bawela driver nawe. You want the DM? Abapaka and stuff. Kiana man. Costa nsendele message ko WhatsApp ke bone go gym. Ke bone go gym o tloka go gym. Oh! Ah! Costa no. Hey guys, Costa sa mutisa ne. Utlo ish sa mutisa Costa yo. Sa mutisa Costa. Ish. Asiena guys, asiena. Ish. I wanna dance with you. I mean, where are you located? I'm gonna come. I live in PTH, homie. Hey, Toshe no papa yo. Hey. Asiena. Toshe ne gape a gire byanong ke moderator o khona bona di filtered comments. Eish. Hey, aksaya live ke le botsa taba tsa ka lena. Ha ke le gono aksa le botsa. Man once ke nitla guys yo. Enong khatlela o come cool and collected up happy. Ta mona ke tsebe le ka se mmone botsbotse man e shile to motseya. Wona spirit sa uluma e shomi spirit sa ngiluma le nna ke tithola dor why de ke lo tsoro guys nthole usbar umoshansha from the box. Spirit sa ntsanko pereza chomi like akina yo akikono tsara ditaba guys. Mara o maratong re tla reng e shwena o kile ka se mwitse le papa kudu lena botse why ne ke ya live ke le potsa hore ke kono yes o mo tshware shapo wa nkwa mo se ya o bona le ena o nkitaza jwa bona no khale ke smile Costa le tšatšile ka moka mo ke lapile mo ke lapile dithama tse ki a ke re hore di ka resta pila ke aware or di o resta he ke robala otherwise no guys. Hi friends, ne ke mo searcha mara ke mo kry o searcha ma o na le ntole ne o inyaka e feng tšhomi yaka aya ya mpia ka yudiang yo ya ntlopereza wena yo Costa woo damn it. Guys, hopefully when did you guys start dating? Yesterday. Yeah. Ar ke mang wena satane oh ka re ke a motse a le tsebe selo a le tsebe motho lena le sa itiang ka re la tseba o tsena vets motho ha o tse le vets chopi na ke no xolo careful re tla fetsa app sharp Costa di views tsa Costa di ya godimo bo mo checka gona ba hago guys no xolo please don't do that to me no xolo don't ke a nna ka motse a le tsebe motho a le sa itiang ka re la motse ba ke re ha le re la motse ba le nyaka ke bolele le nyaka ke bolele re ke mang and I follow him West Path Moleboheng careful Moleboheng you know nothing matter who sa kwa nna ko botsa I will inbox you if you don't believe okay no xolo sharp inbox me mfethu ra tsena tomorrow ra tsena ka usana on a ke tsebe le re bus card ya ka He's my cousin. Was patele na le rata dilo yo. I will inbox guys in inboxing here. Mara sister nan le ka se mo tsebe guys. Nka se lo tse yena. Re tla bulela WhatsApp cause the shop. Are you going live tomorrow? Maybe. I'm not sure. What's the flavor? I don't even know the flavor. This is not mine, guys. Watermelon. Watermelon. And got screenshot. I was packed. Ish. Last man. Matter. Roban take a view and take Yes, tomorrow I'm going to school. You same here. I have classes in the morning and they feel like a 5. 9,000. Yung pujo 9,000 ay feel. No man. You want say ebile re ke ending. Okay, a re dlaleng game he. Ke tswa ka 5 hosane. Ke mo kreile ai ha ona motho le mo kreileng ene le boleleng leina la gae mo kilotong nyela. And ska hlela o ira green screen ya ke sa e dira tšhono. Tla re dlaleng game. Kana re kry di game tse la kae. Okay, yona game yela. Join guess. Okay, this time I'm not drawing. Decline. Okay, this time I'm not this time I'm not drawing, guys. Ntwa teng re tlhapa ka yona ba ibitsang ka sekgowa. Guess. Ntwa teng re tlhapa ka yona. Intsiso. Okay. You guys are so clever. Okay. You guys are so clever. Tell us. Vaslapa BK. Okay, ntwa teng re tlhapa ka yona. Let me reveal because already there are so many guesses. Okay. Okay, guys. You guys, okay, after batho baba after batho baba grilling right. Okay, guys. Okay, let me draw then. Okay, let me draw, guys. I'm drawing now, ne. Idutsi son tate. Intsi son tate. Guess I'm more. I already have 7 correct guesses. After 15 guesses, I'm revealing. After this live, after 15 guesses, I'm revealing. I have 15 already. You guys can stop and see the correct answer. This is the correct answer, guys. Yo, oh my gosh. Oh, ke nyaka like nto e leng hore nka kgona e draw ne. Nto e nka nyakang ho e draw, guys. I'm looking for something. Bear with me. Yo, guys, mafoko a leng mo a o ka se kgona draw like a nyaka o tlhaloswa hey. And ke nyaka nto e leng hore nka e drawa. Okay. Oh my gosh. Kana ke eng lefoko leo ba e draw bjang twe. Yo, guys, a ke kgone ho draw hey. A ke kgone ho draw. Oh my gosh. It's not a car. What's the other name? What's the other name? It's not Uber, it's not tractor, it's not bus. What's the other name? Oh my gosh. It's not a truck, oh my babes. It's not a van. I only have one, okay, two guesses, three guesses. After 10, I'm revealing. Mina veling is smart. Damn it. Okay, I already have 11 guesses. Let me reveal now. Let me reveal. Hape wena Thoshen wa ropa o tla kry o bona because o moderator. And then number 1 ke phele Moses. Guys, I wanna end this live so bad. Connection. Ere go botsa ka di rejection. Cartoon. Okay. Top 5. So there's this sport called varsity ne. I'm explaining this one. There's this other sport. I don't know if it's a sport or what. Called varsity. Mo ileng hore banyana ba teng ba tshwara dilo tsela, maybe bashimane he ba dlala bolo ba tshwara dilo tsela tsa di chaka chaka chaka. Ba apara di skirts and la ntlhalohanya mozoro ke ra bjang. Ba ba bitsa di eng? Oh. Ba ba bitsa di eng banyana ba teng? I have 2 guesses tse right. Ba bang ba lebetha ke di-spelling yo. 9. Ba bang ba le bona ka gore batho ba re bjao la dira pe ke a le tseba lena. Let me reveal. I already have 11 guesses tse di correct. Reveal. Top 5. Okay, Pearl. They call Matt, Miss Molebogeng, Mesh Momo, and Tshegofatso. Top 5. Okay, and this one I'm explaining ne. I'm explaining. So ho na le dilo tse ding tse nyane di tsamaya mo mmung. Di a o tetenya mo ba di bitsang ka sekgowa. Tse nyane, so like most di tswa okay. Okay, go ira top 5. Go ira top 5. I already have 2 guesses tse di correct. After 10 I'm revealing. After 10 I'm revealing. I already have 6 now. Yeah, guys, moshimane ke nagana ka ena no. Ooh, damn it. 7 guesses that are correct. Let me charge my truth. Though my phone is low. I have 7 guesses. 8 now. Munwena. Focus re dlala game. Sorry guys. Yo. Costa o ka ya botsa mohatsa ka re ke live asa wa re ke tlo mo reply. I so feel truth e. And tshwantse ke busetse go monga yona. Guys, ntwa teng ke nyane e tsamaya mo mmung nako ya fela. No, I'm about to reveal. Okay, go ira top 5. I think you guys don't wanna say it. I'm revealing. So top 5, they call Matt. Moleboheng Owe2. It's always BK and Kgeteng. You guys got the thing correct. So guys, I'm also gonna explain this one, ne? So nangir ke tsena sekolo. So he ke tsena sekolo, so I'm a what? I'm a what? I'm a what? But learn. Ke learn natural. Okay, guys, I'm revealing now. You guys got it right. Most of you guys. I'm going to do a Kira top 10 in Nune. You are a chef. When I pelo half away, yo. A chef. Okay, Kira top 10 in Nune. I'm revealing. So, Baba di grilling right. Ke top 10 Lerato, Keletso Bruce, Mesh Momo, Tsegofatso, Miss Moleboheng, Gottlieb Pudi, Cozy Rory, Coco Melon, Karabo 988. It's always BK. Ne? So, I'm also going to explain this one. What's here inside the head? Inside. It's the larger part of the. Yes, sis. Okay, sorry. You guys got it. You guys got it right. But puad. You guys are so funny. Ish, ish, ish. Okay, let me just do a top 5 on this one. You guys got it right. Let me reveal. So number 1 is Keletso Bruce. Number 2 Tsegofatso, 3 Nkgetheng, 4 D-Vice World, 5 Karabo, 6 Mesh Momo. I'm doing top 10 now. 6 Mesh Momo, 7 Moleboheng, 8 Fana, 9 OA2, 10 Cocomelon. This one I'm just gonna draw it, ne? I'm just gonna draw it. I can't draw, but I'm gonna try. Guess. Bulb, uchomi. Ukasere bulb. Ukasere light. Ba bang le betha ke di-spelling shem. Ke a le bona le kry right mara ba bang ba re le bone teme. Okay, I'm revealing Kira top 5 none. Top 5 I'm revealing. Number 1 Ura, number 2 Tsegofatso, number 3 Moleboheng, number 4 Nkgetheng, number 5 Lerato. So this one I'm gonna explain it, ne? The next one. La bona banna ne. Banna ba na leng mo. Ba di bitsang, ba I bitsang ntwe. Like o tla kera dilo tsa teng o kgona yo di trim. Ba bang le betha ke di-spelling ba o mongwe a re ditedu jo teme miriri in English tedu lena guys. Okay, let me just do a top 10 on this one. I'm revealing mustache jo. Number 1 Keletso, 2 Pearl, 3 Lerato, 4 Fana, 5 Nkgetheng, 6 Lisbeth, 7 Moleboheng, 8 Cozy Rory, 9 Device World, 10 Ura. So this one I'm gonna explain, ne? Ya teng ra bala mo yona what's ampore ke bolela keng ra bala mo yona ra ngwala ko yona re bala eng re kwala mo eng ko ira top 5 ko ira top 5. I'm revealing, guys. Don't have time. I have to go sleep. 1 Moleboheng, 2 Rory, 3 Karabo, 988, 4 Dineo, 5 Device World, 6 Ora, 7 Lisbeth, 8 Cocomelon, 9 Tsegofatso, 10 Keletso. So this one I'm gonna explain. Ya teng ne re bona di date go yona. Ya teng re bona di date go yona ba ibitsang days, dates. E khona o bontsha le okay shapo. A re booklet mpela. Diary book teme. Notes yo tems. Okay, I'm revealing now. You guys got it right. Okay, let's go style lampiak. Kira top 10 in none. 1 Dineo, 2 Keletso, 3 Fana, 4 Tejo, 5 Rory, 6 Pearl, 7 Gotli Pudding, 8 Maswangangi, 9 Mesh Momo, 10 Skumba Nation. This one I'm just gonna draw it. Ne. When I booklet, this one I'm gonna draw it. Ne. Are feda mushimanola badda. Are bed teme. Let me reveal, guys. You guys got it right. I'm doing a top 10. Fana number 1, 2 Lerato, 3 Pearl, 4 Dineo, 5 Lisbeth, 6 Masana, 7 Device World, 8 Rory, 9 Godly Pudding, 10 Cocomelon. Let me just draw this one. I'm not sure if it will corner number, but I'm gonna try. Yo, you thoma guy. I say bag, guys. Ya teng o khona tshela metsi ka moara le bokoko ba rotela ka mo yona sometimes. Ice cream karabo. Le bokoko ba rotela ka mo yona bokoko kwa lena mo matsheng. Bokoko kwa lena mo matsheng o tla kra ba rota ba re Mamotibedi. Mamotibedi. Mamotibedi is wild shem. Mamotibedi. Broomsticky. Damn it. Let me reveal. I'm doing a top 10 this time. Reveal number 1 Nkgeteng, 2 Keletso, 3 Fana, 4 Molebogeng, 5 Dineo, 6 Device World, 7 Lerato, 8 Cozy Rory, 9 Mickey, 10 Pearl. Ish, here when I go draw, I'm gonna draw it. Yo, you guys got it right fast, yo. Okay, top 10 again. But truck driver, Joe. Number 1, Dineo, 2 Lerato, 3 Pearl, 4 Molebogeng, 5 Christian, 6 Mesh Momo, 7 Skumba, 8 Device World, 9 Nkgeteng, 10 Karabo. Guys. Can you get something? So this one I'm gonna explain it. Hey, say airtime re rekang. If I go berekisa airtime re go berekisa eng for WhatsApp, for TikTok, for Instagram, here is na Wi-Fi. Ele ba lena le gesa thata. Owa. Teme. Kira top 10 no, I'm revealing ne. Bar telecom ke letso mfana. Jo, bar yo teme. SIM card. Top 10 revealing. Number 1, Dineo, 2, Device World, 3, Pearl, 4, Keletso, 5, Fana, 6, Lisbeth, 7, Molebogeng, 8, Cozy Rory, 9, Karabo, 10, Nkgeteng. So this one I'm gonna explain it. Who am I? Like, now abona, kya performer. And then ki something, ya artist. No, ka se re person more. I get content creator, I get celebrity, I get influence. Like I'm doing something for an artist. Bar celebrity. Bar DJ. Bar female. Bar vocalist. You are performing. Damn it. Coco Melon. Coco Melon. Damn it. Bar ke Shandesh. Bar ke Shandesh. Bar ke Charisma. Bar ke Mike. Bar ke Tshwane. Damn it. Lena le ntia le ntseba. I gira top 10 and no, I'm revealing. Bare Masibotsana Mata Beater. Oh, I'm revealing konje kirang. Top 10. 1 Mulewuheng, 2 Lerato, 3 Pearl, 4 Bruce Keletso, 5 Ora, 6 Lisbeth, 7 Neo Entle, 8 Fana, 9 Masana, 10 Nkgetheng. Okay. This one I'm gonna draw it, guys. I'm drawing it. But flat. But flat. Okay, you guys get it. Your kitchen door. Go let me reveal. Number 1. Keletso, 2 Tlholo, 3 Fana, 4 Lisbeth, 5 Masana, 6 Mulewuheng, 7 Karabo, 8 Dineo, 9 Device World, 10 Christian. Guys, ke a explain ke nyele re nnamelang go dimolong e risa go dimo re no tsena fela ra tobetsa ra ya go dimo le go tlase. Lift ke lift aowa ba bang ba ikreile right. Escalator, damn it. Guys, ke elevator. I'm doing top 5. But Escape Town, damn it. Number 1 Keletso Bruce, 2 Dineo, 3 Mesh Momo, 4 Ora. So I'm gonna explain this one also. Tsa teng re di lokela ka mo ditsebeng to listen to music mara di na le mothapo ba di bitsa di eng like ina le di strings ba e bitsa eng but why damn it. I'm doing top 5. I'm revealing. Number 1 Keletso Bruce, 2 Lindy, 3 Nkule, 2.0, 4 Advice, 5 Mickey. So I'm done with this game, guys. I'm done with this game. Oh my gosh. Okay. Airport, damn it. Guys, it's time. I guessed 8 words. Congratulations, Karabo. Guys, let me end the live, ne? Let me end the live. Bye-bye, guys. Ke win, Ke let's win wena mfana. What's even? Bye, guys. It's time. Got time. Bye, gorgeous. Bye, Pearl. Bye, guys.